After several hours of research on Amazon, I came across this listing which sells a unique notebook. It has a BSR of 10,000 and is one of the top 100 books in this category. Did not know that. What is BSR? BSR stands for Best Sellers Rank. The lower the BSR, the more product is selling. But what BSR you should aim for? Generally, a good BSR lies between 1 and 50,000, but it also depends upon your category. I will split the process of creation in different steps. Step 1. Analyze competitor listings. Notice their notebook cover, number of pages, page designs, book size, etc. Once we have full knowledge of our competitor's product, we will try to create better product than theirs. Step 2. Start generating book content. Head over to Canva and create a custom design size of dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. Firstly, I'll change the color of the page to black. Then in Elements section, select the line Chain its color to white so it stands out. Add lines as much as you need. At the same time, you'll notice that lines are messed up. So to fix that, select all lines, go to Position and click Tidy Up. Now adjust all lines to fit the page properly. As you can see, lines are thickened. So to fix that, select all the lines, go to Line Style and reduce the line weight to 1. This way lines will look more professional and thin. I recommend adding date every second page. Add some illustrations to stand out from the crowd. Now click on Grid View and duplicate the pages as much as you like. I'll go for 120 pages. 3. Creating the book cover. Go to Google and search for KDP cover calculator. Open the website and add information regarding the book. For example, number of pages and book size. Then download template. The template contains the dimensions for the book cover. Copy the dimensions and create the design using them in Canva. After that, click Shift+R together on the keyboard. Scale will open. With the help of scale, split the page into half. Front cover will be on right side and back will be on left. Change cover's color to black. Add lines to match the overall theme of the notebook. Now select a bold font and write the notebook's title and also mention the sub-niche. Write the features of the book on the back page in a small paragraph. Add some graphics as well. As you can see, our cover is designed. Download it as a PDF print. Now we have a full book ready to publish on Amazon. To do that, you must have a free KDP account. This video actually teaches how to create the account as well as a book that is going crazy these days. Thanks for watching.